Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome watching another part of our video tutorial dedicated to Nilfisk E140 pressure washer. In today's part we won't be fixing any part of the pressure washer. I just want to share with you something very interesting, very strange, and it's related to accessories for this high pressure washer. It's a late autumn and I was cleaning garden equipment, and when I was using a foam maker, look what happened. I lightly touched a mover and this part fell off. I thought that it's made of plastic of higher quality. It's kind of flexible, but not over here in this part. So that's very strange. The brand new costs roughly 20 or more than 20 euro, and some of you, maybe if it did happen to you, you will have to replace it. I found another solution and I want to share it with you. I believe that most of you are happy with this pressure washer with the induction engine, long-lasting one, and you wish to save some money when it comes to buying new things. So I'll present you a solution for the problem that I showed you. You can use a bottle like this one. It's some kind of detergent for the gardening, and the most important thing is that the threads on the bottle fits to this part from the foam maker. I'll show you. You see? It's a 500 milliliters bottle made of flexible plastic, so it shouldn't happen again what happened to me, that when you lightly touch something it will fall off, and you can use it for a quite long time. Of course, when you empty this bottle, first you have to rinse properly inside, and then you can use it for the purpose of making the foam instead of the broken one. Because I believe that if you use some kind of special glue, it will be still just a temporary solution, and sooner or later it will fall off. So it doesn't make any sense to glue it. I would like to ask you if some of you have got the similar experience. If yes, please share in the comments. I hope this short video will help you to save some money. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Good luck.